welcome to another episode of Paulies Kitchen. My name's Paulie and this is my kitchen. In today's festive episode, I'm going to show you how to make the softest, fluffiest on the inside and crunchy on the outside roast potatoes. So guys, if this is your first time here, do remember to like, comment, subscribe and hit that bell button so you do find out when I release my next video, which will be really soon. But on a serious note guys, if you haven't liked, comment, subscribed or hit that bell button, please do. I'd really appreciate it. Thanks. So guys, we're going to dive straight in, and everything for this recipe you will need is right here. As you can see, there's only a few ingredients. I will be putting these in the info box below, so do check down there for these and you'll catch them all down there. Guys, that is all the ingredients you will need. We're going to dive straight in and I'm going to show you exactly how to do this. So what you will need is you'll need a glass bowl. I'm going to pop that there and we're going to take our potatoes. So we're going to take our peeler and we're just going to peel our potatoes and put the scraps into our glass bowl. So now that all our potatoes are peeled, we don't need this anymore nor that, so let's put these down here. But what you will see is that your potatoes are different sizes. Now these will cook at different times. This one's going to cook way before this one, and when this one cooks, this one will have disintegrated. So what we need to do is we need to take our sharp knife and we are just going to trim the potatoes so they're all roughly about the same size. They don't have to be exact, but so long as they're roughly about the same size, you'll be all right. There we go, look at that. So now all our potatoes are the same size. We're going to pop these into our bowl like this. We're going to take our salt. We're just going to put a nice amount of salt into our large stock pot. So we're going to light our stove. I'm going to turn up full power. We're going to take our potatoes and we're just going to gently slide those into the water. So we're going to leave our potatoes in there for the moment. It's going to take roughly about 20-25 minutes. But in the meantime, we're going to light our other stove. We're going to take our butter. We're going to take a small bunch of thyme. We're also going to take 2 garlic cloves that I should have prepared when the camera was facing that way. But I'm just going to take the ends off and peel them quick. And we're going to make brown clarified butter infused with garlic and thyme, and this is what we're going to be baking our potatoes in, or we're going to be roasting our potatoes in, as I should say, and these potatoes are going to be so good. So we're going to keep cooking our butter mixture until it looks like this. You can see it was going orange in places, so we're going to turn off the heat and let the bubbles drop. Take a high-sided bowl and pop that there, and we're going to take our sieve. In a professional kitchen, chefs will use what's called a muslin cloth. It's really expensive. I kind of like to use a J cloth to filter everything out. It's a lot cheaper. Trust me, it's much cheaper, but feel free to spend the money out on muslin cloth if you want. So we're going to take another knife, an old one this time, and we're just going to cut straight down the middle, and we're going to use this as a filter. So we're going to pop that in there like that. And then we're going to take our butter, and as you will see, it has gone a lovely golden orange colour. So we're just going to pour that in really slowly. Let's pop that there. Let's bring that up and we're just going to let that filter through. Please be really careful when doing this. The butter's really hot. It's like 160 to 180 degrees. So that's our roasting potato brown clarified butter with thyme and garlic in there. Take a large baking tray and we're going to pour our oil into our baking tray. We're just going to pop this in the oven. I'm going to let this preheat. Oh yeah, they've got that lovely give. They've got that lovely give to it. So what we're going to do, we're going to put the lid back on. We're going to turn off the heat and we're just going to take this over to the sink and drain them all out. It'll be 2 seconds. So we're going to take one of our rat coolie things and pop that there. We're going to pull our hot tray out of the oven. And then we're just going to carefully place all of our potatoes on the tray. Put these broken bits in there as well, because they'll go nice and crisp. Lovely. We're going to give that a shake to make sure they're not sticking. We're going to roll them around so they're covered in oil. Just pop that there, and we're going to pop this back in the oven. Potatoes are now in the oven. They're going to take about an hour to cook, but what we're going to do every 15-20 minutes, we're just going to roll the potatoes around in the tray, and that's so they don't stick to the bottom and they go nice and crispy all over. See you in about an hour. Lovely, look at those. They look absolutely incredible. So we're just going to take a serving dish and we take our potatoes and pop these in there. So yeah guys, that's how you make wonderfully crisp and fluffy inside roast potatoes for Christmas Day. And they're going to taste absolutely amazing. I can't wait to have these with my roast turkey that I've got in the oven right now. So guys, do remember to like, comment, subscribe and hit that bell button so you do find out when I release my next video, which will be really soon. But in the meantime guys, hope you're inspired, happy Christmas, and I'll see you again soon. Bye bye.